Today our topic is find a value using two variable equations. So see, the focus is two variable. Two variable means we can have suppose x and y and z, a and b, s and t. We can have any two variables and the value of one variable is given. We have to plug the value of that variable in an equation and find the value of the other variable. So the question is, suppose if y is equal to x plus 8. So see, this is the equation. This is the left hand side of the equation and this is the right hand side of the equation. There are two variables, y and z, sorry, y and x. And you have to find out the value of y while x is given. So x is equal to 5. These are two variables. As the topic indicates, two variable equation, right? You have to find out the value of the two variable equation. So in two variable, always there should be only one unknown. So y is unknown. You have to plug 5 instead of x. So our equation is y is equal to x plus 8. So x is equal to 5 and 8. So the value of y is 13 and this is our answer. Right? So there are two variables. Always keep in mind in one equation there should be only one unknown, either x or y. You cannot have two unknowns in one equation. So just plug the value of 5 here. Wherever you will see x in the equation, you have to put the value of x, that is 5, and then add it because the operation is positive. We will solve one more question. If t is equal to s negative 7. So here keep in mind, first you have to see the sign. This is the negative sign, s minus t. Then you have to find out the value of t. So write down the equation t equal to s minus 7. So wherever you will see s in the equation, plug 10. So this is 10 minus 7, which will be equal to 3. So the value of t is 3. Right? And you can check your question as well. These type of question you can check it. How come? This is t. Now you know that the value of t is 3. So put this value here. Instead of 3, instead of t you can write down 3 equal to, and the value of s is 10. 10 minus 7, which will equal to 3 is equal to 3. So both sides are equal. Left hand side equal to right hand side, it means your answer is true. So in the case of equation, whatever answer you have, you put that answer instead of that variable and check both sides should be equal. It means your answer is right. We will solve one more question. Here you have to find out the value of a. So a is equal to b plus 7. So see, the value of b is 4. I told you that there should be only one unknown, which is a. You cannot have both unknown. So the value of b is 4, 7, which is equal to 11. So now you can check, right? You can check whether your answer is right or wrong. So how come a is equal to a is equal to, this is equal to b plus 7, and you have a is equal to 11. We just have calculated and the value of b is 4 plus 7. So 11 equal to 11. Both sides are equal. Left hand side should be equal to right hand side. It means your answer is right. We will solve one more question. Z is equal to y minus 14. Here you have two variables, z and y, and the value of y is 14 minus 0. So z is equal to 14, negative 0 is 14. And here you can check your answer, whether your answer is right or wrong. So the value of z is 14. Write down 14 here, and the value of y is 14 minus 0. So 14 equal to 14. So left hand side equal to right hand side. It means your question is right, or your answer is right. So here I have given some practice problem. These are the practice problems, and here are the answered. But what you have to do, you have to solve the question first, then you can tally your answers. If still you have any question, you can write down in the comment section and I will try my best to answer it. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, SciMy Academy, and thanks for watching.